Nang iming kadira.
Hi, Roy.
Karige.
Ay bantin ko kiya.
What do you love about your dad?
So my dad is my superhero. He gives me strength and hope.
I love that you've never given up on me. No matter how much I was a difficult child, you just never gave up when a lot of people did.
What I love about my dad is the fact how selfless he is. He always puts everybody else first.
I love that Daddy's really nice.
You know exactly how to put a smile on my face when I'm in the worst of moods. You stay up late nights and so I can talk to you and you're there with open arms and I can just talk to you about anything.
Dad, there are tons of things I love about you, and you know a lot of them, but I think probably the thing that I have loved most about you is how intentional you are about spending time together.
You're a hardworking man, and just your passion for all of us as a family is just great.
Thanks, bud.
AJ, I want you to ask your dad that question for me.
Oh gosh, Dad, here you go.
What about me makes you proud?
What about me makes you proud?
Oh boy. What about me makes me proud? Well, for you, what makes me proud is that we can actually work together and that we actually get along.
Dad, what about me makes you proud?
Tons of stuff. Your wit, your beauty, inner and outer beauty, your love for the Lord, love for people. Yeah, you're just an amazing young lady.
What about me makes you proud?
The way that you like to learn how to ride horses, that makes me proud of you.
How you found your way, your relationship with God, and that's what makes us proud.
I just love being a dad because I love going and watching you play sports and spending time with you and hanging out with you and raising you up to be a Montreal Canadiens fan.
तो मैं आपको क्या चीज़ बोलता हूँ, आपको फख्र फील करता हूँ.
सबसे जो बड़ी चीज़ है वो ये है कि आप खुदा से प्यार करते हो, जो मुझे आप पर फख्र है, और अपने माँ बाप की हर चीज़ को आप उनका ख्याल रखते हो कि मेरे माँ बाप के क्या नीड्स हैं, इसलिए मुझे आप पर ये फख्र है.
What about me makes you proud?
Everything that you are, like everything.
What about me makes you proud?
You always have a strength, an inner strength in you that is addictive. And I just love the fact that even in the moments where I feel weak, Sarah, that you actually make me feel strong and you've made me a better person.
Are you trying to make me cry or what? You're doing a good job. No, I love you.
Love you.